Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So today I bring to you all as usual the Mahalakshmi cards before we go for the readings. Today I feel you need to work more on the color red, and also if you can in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30 hear the Shri Suktam today. When you're hearing the Shri Suktam today, you can burn a lamp of gingerly oil and ghee mixed together, equal proportions of that, and you can hear the Shri Suktam. And also today in the evening or in the morning, if there's any nearby temple near your place, then you can go there and donate 1 kg of jaggery and come, which they can use it for prasad for people who come. This is basically for abundance to come in your lives. So let's see what is the first card which is coming for you all today. And also when you do the Shri Saktam, keep a glass of water, and then that water you can have. So the first goddess which has come is the goddess of purification, Yamuna Devi. So let's bring in one more card to see what is coming. Kanchi Kamakshi Amman. It's a very powerful goddess. Maybe this is the reason red came today for me in the reading. Kanchi Kamakshi Amman is the most powerful goddess, and there's a big temple for her here down south in the Kanjivaram district. And she is a goddess who is said to bring in abundance, who is said to bring in fulfill all our desires that we are. So today maybe you need to work on getting clarity, because your purification, I feel, is you need a lot of clarity, and based on that clarity you will be able to understand what has to be done and how it has to be done. And in turn, when you plan and you work with it, whatever it is that you desire, that will happen. Because usually when she comes, the Kanchi Kamakshi, when she comes, she is the one who will help you, who will help you fulfill your wishes, and who will give you the right guidance and clarity as to how you need to do. Overall, if you see today, I feel the day is good, opportunities will come to you, and just pray to her. And maybe today you can chant this mantra 21 times at least. Kleem Kleem Kamakye Kleem Kleem Nama. Kleem 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 Kamakya Kleem Kleem Namaha. This is more for abundance. And also, if you see, she has a sugar cane in her hand. If you can offer her sugar cane juice today when you're chanting this mantra, and then you can have it, or you can give it also to your family members. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.